Hi everyone, welcome to Practical ESL Conversations. I'm Kevin, and today we're going grocery shopping. We'll go through 4 everyday conversations: talking to store employees, shopping as a couple, chatting in line, and checking out at the cashier. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident speaking English while shopping. Let's get started. Scene 1. A young woman is shopping at a food supermarket and asks a store clerk for help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what are you looking for?
I need some fresh strawberries. Where can I find them?
The strawberries are in the fruit section near the apples.
Thank you. Also, do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, it's in the bakery section next to the white bread.
Great. And where can I find cooking oil?
Cooking oil is in aisle 5 near the rice and pasta.
I see. Thanks. Oh, one more thing. Do you sell almond milk?
Yes, you can find it in the dairy section next to the regular milk.
Perfect. That's all I need. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Key phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Where can I find beer? Where can I find beer? It's in aisle 5. It's in aisle 5. One more thing. One more thing. That's all I need. That's all I need. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Have a great day. Scene 2. Husband and wife are grocery shopping together, discussing what to buy and planning meals for the week.
Okay, we have our shopping list. What do we need first?
Let's start with vegetables. We need some lettuce, tomatoes, and carrots.
How many tomatoes do we need?
Let's get 5. I want to make a salad.
Sounds good. Do we need onions?
No, we still have some at home.
All right, what's next?
Let's go to the dairy section. We need milk, yogurt, and cheese.
Do we need regular milk or almond milk?
Let's get both. The kids prefer almond milk.
Got it. What about butter?
Yes, we need a small pack.
Do we need anything from the snacks aisle?
Maybe some chips and a box of granola bars.
And don't forget coffee. We're almost out.
Oh yes, let's get a big pack.
All right, I think that's everything. Let's go to the checkout.
Wait, we forgot bread. Let's grab a loaf of whole wheat bread.
Good catch. Now, we're ready.
Key phrases. What do we need first? What do we need first? Let's start with vegetables. Let's start with vegetables. How many tomatoes do we need? How many tomatoes do we need? Do we need regular milk or almond milk? Do we need regular milk or almond milk? Do we need anything from the snacks aisle? Do we need anything from the snacks aisle? Don't forget coffee. Don't forget coffee. Let's go to the checkout. Let's go to the checkout. Wait, we forgot bread. Wait, we forgot bread. Scene 3. A customer is at the checkout counter, ready to pay for their groceries.
Hi, did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, I did.
You need a bag?
Yes, please. One bag.
All right. Here's your total. That will be $22.75.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card. Okay, it went through. Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please. Also, do you have a loyalty program?
Yes. If you sign up, you can earn points on every purchase.
That sounds great. How do I sign up?
You can do it online or right here at the register. It only takes a minute.
I'll do it online later. Thanks for the info.
No problem. Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Key phrases. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? That will be $22.75. That will be $22.75. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? It went through. It went through. Would you like your receipt? Would you like your receipt? Do you have a loyalty program? Do you have a loyalty program? How do I sign up? How do I sign up? Here's your receipt. Here's your receipt. Scene 4. Two customers are waiting in line to pay at the grocery store. They start a casual conversation while waiting.
Excuse me, is this the line for checkout?
Yes, it is. It's a bit long today.
Wow, the line is really long.
Yeah, it's always like this on weekends.
I guess everyone is stocking up for the week.
Looks like it. Do you shop here often?
Yes, I come here every Saturday. They have fresh produce. What about you?
Same here. I love their bakery section. The bread is always fresh.
Oh, really? I haven't tried their bread yet. Do you have a favorite?
Yes, their sourdough bread is amazing. You should try it.
Sounds great. I'll get one next time.
Oh, looks like it's almost our turn.
Finally! Anyway, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
You too.
Key phrases. Excuse me, is this the line for checkout? Excuse me, is this the line for checkout? It's always like this on weekends. It's always like this on weekends. Do you shop here often? Do you shop here often? They have fresh produce. They have fresh produce. I love their bakery section. I love their bakery section. Do you have a favorite? Do you have a favorite? Looks like it's almost our turn. Looks like it's almost our turn. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. And that's it. Now you know how to ask for help, shop with a partner, make small talk, and pay at checkout. Next time you go grocery shopping, try using these phrases. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Thanks for watching Practical ESL Conversations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. See you next time.